consumption? Is it on the iPhone? And it's just phenomenal. It's only 3 months or 4 or 5 months, and Stanza is a big thing. I mean, it's there's been tremendous success with the iPhone, the books being downloaded onto the iPhone. The Kindle is a big thing. And I think that's what really has pushed everything, is Amazon introducing the Kindle and the technology there. So what are the different formats? But the idea is having your content available in all formats and having it available for the end user. So the cost and risk, I mean, it does cost money. The big publishers have spent tremendous amounts of money to do this, but that's where we'll talk about how you can actually do all of this because of where technology is today, where you don't actually have to spend that much money to do this. And then the whole idea of, okay, you've got content, the conversion aspect of it. How much, what do you do to take it from X format or X type and get it ready for delivery? And, the challenges of tagging and metadata, how do we, the question on the tagging and meta is, how deep do you want to actually tag it? I mean, you take the religious publishing market, and really you'll see there where they've tagged it to the paragraph level, because in that particular market, they need to actually take content in multiple ways and deliver it to their consumers. So what level? And there is really no right. You've got to just get started and start experimenting. Challenges of, the other challenges, okay, Amazon, Google, and every one of our customers have said, look, I've got it on Google Book Search, so that is my strategy. It's really, the question for us is, these places are very good, and we tell our publishers, you've got to be in Google, you've got to be in all these outlets. But at the end of the day, you've got to also give control over what's happening. If you look at what the goal of Amazon or what the goal of Google, Amazon's goal is to maximize their revenues. And look at it historically with examples of what's happened. And from that, where will it go? Who knows? But at the end of the day, you need to actually control. You look at print on demand. What was their strategic decision on print on demand? So that was a decision that really, was it helpful for the publishing community, or was it helpful for Amazon's goals? The new initiative, strategy they have in terms of downloadable formats. Who do they serve? So I think we've got to be in Amazon. That's going to be a major outlet for a lot of publishers to sell, get their revenues. We've got to be in Google. You've got to get discovered, but you've got to actually have control over what you're going to do for the future. So just to jump into some success stories, this is really interesting. I mean, what World Bank did. So they, in 2002 or 2003, they actually had all their content converted to on NetLibrary. They actually bought the content back and said, okay, we need to not only be out there on multiple outlets, but we actually need to control our content and have our own independent strategy apart from the others. So they have their own channel, as well as other channels like NetLibrary. They're also in Google Book Search, and so they've done all the things that I've talked about. And they've started getting results. And the interesting thing here is, you look at the sales. And if you look at the print sales, it's been that a few percent, just like general market trends. But if you look at where their growth is, it's all on the E side. And that's the future. And they've got a strategy that not only leverages all the different channels, but they've got their own independent channel where they control. But the interesting aspect that you don't see from this graph is operating margin. If you look at the print sales, the operating margin in that will be a lot less than the electronic e-sales, and that's where you see tremendous opportunity. Even though the numbers are much smaller on the E side, the operating margins are definitely much greater. So talk about a little bit about Harper.